Hey guys, my name is Mohammed Amar. Today's video is gonna be about an amazing free illustration resource by using which you can make awesome and beautiful looking landing pages or website designs. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. As a web designer or developer, sometimes we don't have time or don't have that much experience in making such cool looking illustrations, or we want to spend more time in other areas of website. So to make the design stand out, we can use the illustrations from the website called undraw.co. It is one of the biggest resources that I know. You can also use these illustrations in other designing projects as well. Why choose UnDraw? Because they are free to use in any commercial and personal project. You can also use your own color to match your brand identity. Moreover, that they are scalable and very small in size. Now click on illustrations and select browse now. Here you can see a lots of amazing and cool looking illustrations to choose from, and they keep adding more and more illustrations with time. You can also search by a keyword. Suppose I'm making a website and I need social design, so I'm gonna type social. After loading, you can see lots of social designs, but I like this one. Click here. Here you can see two options: to download SVG or to download PNG. Now to use your custom colors, just go up here and choose the color or paste the color code, then click choose. You see how the main theme have changed automatically. You can also download free plugin for Adobe XD from here and can use these images in your project easily. As these are vectors, so you can make your own illustrations by merging more than one designs. So that is UnDraw for you guys. Give it a try when you need illustrations. Now you guys can add cool and amazing free illustrations to your project. That's it guys. Good luck with your design. See you in the next video. Bye bye.